On your marks, go!
And just like that, these babies were off in the 2018 New York City Diaper Derby.
Ainsley shoots out like a cannon!
30 toddlers competed to cross the finish line, with loved ones doing whatever they could to get them there.
Maverick is our winner!
The Diaper Derby kicks off the New York City Triathlon weekend, and much like anyone else, we try to encourage youngsters from age 0 to 1 to come into the endurance space, and this is the platform to come out.
Even if it took a few tears.
It is Ainsley! Ainsley by a hand!
The ultimate champion had a rough start,
Go!
but crawled away with the big prize.
It is Teddy, your champion!
Good job. You did good, kid.
His parents say when it comes to crawling, you either have talent or you don't.
She's been saying he will crawl down the aisle at his own wedding. Yeah.
The dominant performance from beginning to end.
I'm Kelly Nealon for InsideEdition.com.